Men, let's be real for a second. What if I told you that there's a simple exercise you can do anywhere sitting at your desk, driving, even watching this video, that could completely transform your stamina, boost your confidence, and give you ultimate control in the bedroom? No equipment, no gym memberships, just one powerful secret technique. Today, I'm going to reveal the truth about Kegel exercises for men and show you how to master this underrated but life-changing workout. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to take control of your performance, both inside and outside the bedroom. What are Kegel exercises? Kegels aren't just for women. In fact, they were originally discovered as a way to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. Men have these muscles too. The pelvic floor is like a hidden powerhouse that controls your bladder, your stamina, and your ability to maintain control when it matters most. Think of it like the foundation of your house. If it's weak, everything else struggles. But if you strengthen it, you'll notice better posture, more control, and even stronger intensity during intimacy. Why every man should do Kegels? Here's why this is a game changer for men. Improved stamina and control. No more finishing before you want to. Kegels give you the power to decide. Stronger erections. A trained pelvic floor improves blood flow, making everything harder and stronger. Better bladder control. No more embarrassing leaks or urges. Confidence boost. When you feel in control of your body, it shows. And the best part, you don't need weights, supplements, or crazy routines. Just a few minutes a day of focused muscle training. How to find your pelvic floor muscles. Now, before we start, you need to know where these muscles are. Here's the test. Next time you're urinating, try to stop the flow midway. Is that tightening sensation you feel? Is your pelvic floor muscle at work? Another way to feel it is to imagine holding in gas. The squeeze you do down there, that's the exact muscle we're targeting. Once you can identify it, you never have to test while urinating again. Just know where that switch is. The secret technique, Kegel training for men. Okay? Here's the technique, step by step. Get comfortable, sit or lie down in a quiet place. Contract. Squeeze your pelvic floor muscles as if you're trying to stop urine. Don't tense your abs, legs, or butt, just the pelvic floor. Hold. Start with a 3 to 5 second hold. Release. Relax for 5 seconds. Repeat. Do this 10 to 15 times per set. Aim for 3 sets daily. Over time, increase your hold to 10 seconds with equal rest periods. Think of it like weightlifting, but for your pelvic muscles. The stronger they get, the more control you'll gain. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, don't fall into these traps. Holding your breath, always breathe normally, overtraining. Like any muscle, your pelvic floor needs rest. Don't overdo it. Using the wrong muscles? If your abs or butt are sore, you're not isolating the pelvic floor. Stick to correct form and you'll see results faster than you think. When will you see results? Here's the exciting part. Most men notice improvements in 4 to 6 weeks of consistent training. You'll start feeling stronger control when you need it, improved stamina, and even better intensity during intimacy. And remember, just like going to the gym, the more consistent you are, the stronger and longer lasting your results will be. Why this secret technique works. Kegels are so effective because they tackle the root of the problem, muscle weakness. Pills and quick fixes only mask the symptoms. But when you strengthen your pelvic floor, you're building a natural solution that lasts a lifetime. It's like unlocking a hidden level of control that most men never even realize they have. So, there you have it, Kegel exercises for men, the secret technique for ultimate control. This isn't just about stamina, it's about confidence, health, and being the best version of yourself. Here's what I want you to do. Start with just 5 minutes a day. Stick with it for a month. Then come back to this video and tell me in the comments how much your life has changed. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs this. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful tips on health, performance, and confidence.